Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to make a terracotta clay fridge magnet. These are the materials. I have used air drying clay, so that will be easy. Apply a coat of oil or Vaseline onto your hands and to the rolling pin because it will avoid sticking of the clay. Mold the clay and roll it so that you have a thickness of 0.5 centimeter. Now cut the clay. I am cutting it to a rectangular shape. You can even try circular if you have a cookie cutter or any other shape. Please note that the clay is very soft, so you will not apply much pressure onto the clay because it will change the shape of the clay. Once you are done with all the cutting, you can keep it for drying in air for 24 hours. Now after 24 hours you will see that it will have shrunk a little. So apply a base coat on all the faces of the clay mold which you have prepared. Once that is done, you can use the same colors to highlight just by dabbing the brush on the clay. After the background is ready, you can draw whatever is your main element. I have chosen a cat here. Use a thinner brush to draw it and fill it up with whatever details you need. I have used a simple black color shadow kind of thing. Once that is dried, flip it over, scratch a little so that this clay is visible. Apply the glue. This will help in bonding. Now place the magnet over it and give pressure to it. You can use a book to give pressure, and then your fridge magnet is ready.